Mount Etna, Italy's most active volcano, displayed its ferocity again this week, suddenly trapping dozens of climbers on its slopes, despite authorities issuing stern warnings to stay away from the danger zone. However, some tourists ignored the warnings to witness the eruption up close, despite the dangers involved. Footage widely shared on social media showed tense moments as tourists ran down the slopes, while thick volcanic ash billowed into the sky. Panic was inevitable as rumblings and explosions could be heard from the crater. An official alert was issued on Monday morning after a significant increase in volcanic activity was detected. Nevertheless, dozens of climbers continued their ascent, still approaching the summit of Mount Etna. There was a big explosion and part of the crater collapsed, but it happened in a remote area, said Salvo Cosina, head of the Sicilian Civil Protection Department. He acknowledged the difficulty of restricting access to the mountain. "It's very difficult to block Mount Etna, you can't fence off a volcano." Fortunately, no one was injured in the incident. On Tuesday, the official alert level was lowered back to yellow. However, the incident served as a stark reminder of the real dangers lurking. Mount Etna, at 3,350 meters high and about 35 kilometers wide, is known as a favorite destination for extreme tourists. Its frequent eruptions attract crowds eager to witness the power of nature up close. The experience is a mix of awe and adrenaline, said experienced mountain guide Saro Trovato, who legally climbed Etna when it erupted last February. "Even from the view, you can feel the heat from the fresh lava flows. But danger lurks beneath the allure." Above 2,500 meters, climbers are legally required to be accompanied by a certified mountain guide. However, on Tuesday, many climbers reported reaching 2,700 meters without adequate supervision. Conditions on Mount Etna can change in a matter of minutes. On Monday, pyroclastic flows, a deadly mixture of hot gas, rock, and ash, slid 2 kilometers down the slopes, and thick smoke nearly engulfed parts of the mountain. Although controlled within the Valle del León, a natural buffer zone for lava flows, even the slightest change can have fatal consequences. Other problems also arise from the tourism side. During the previous eruption in February, tourist vehicles parked haphazardly on narrow roads hampered emergency vehicles. Firefighters even had to be deployed to ease traffic congestion in hazardous areas. Therefore, authorities emphasize the importance of professional mountain guides who receive up-to-date information directly from volcanologists and rescue teams. Always check official information about volcanic activity before climbing, Trovato stressed. Especially when the volcano is active, a single careless decision can be fatal. Mount Etna once again demonstrated its ferocity. A powerful eruption occurred at around 7 p.m. local time, 1700 hours Greenwich Mean Time, from the southeastern crater of the giant volcano, located at an altitude of around 2,900 meters above sea level. The event immediately shook eastern Sicily and sparked panic in several villages located at the foot of the mountain. According to local Italian media reports, including the Daily La Stampa, the incandescent lava erupted under high pressure and then split into 3 main flows. The 3 streams moved rapidly southeast, gliding down the mountainside with a fiery red glow clearly visible from a distance. The sight lit up the night sky and created a tense atmosphere for local residents. Locals reported loud rumbling sounds resembling explosions that could be clearly heard in nearby villages. Ground tremors and repeated explosions forced many residents to flee for safety. The explosions sounded like continuous thunder, one resident told local media. The volcanic activity was confirmed by the Catania branch of the Italian National Institute of Geophysics and Volcanology, INGV. The institute stated that the eruption was accompanied by the emission of significant amounts of ash and volcanic gases. As a precaution, aviation authorities issued an orange flight warning for aircraft flying around Etna due to the potential danger of volcanic ash in the air.